So we are in Waddell at a custom RV garage in Casita. We are just finishing up all of the rough-in, so plumbing, electrical, HVAC. So we have two different ceiling heights. We have 12-foot ceiling with a 10-foot door and a 16-foot ceiling with a 14-foot door. So the plan is to have a lift in here as well, as a car collector that is building this home. We have ductwork in, so this is going to be an air-conditioned space. And this door is the entrance into the casita. Stepping into the future kitchen, so we have a galley kitchen here, laundry room, and refrigerator. This is a bathroom that will be used for the outdoor pool once the pool is put in. So I get the question a lot, how do you do electrical? And we're coming in here at a good time because the electrician is putting his boxes in. So you can see that they've made little channels. So they'll bring the wires through the attic, like you can see the PEX lines there. They'll carve a little channel down and attach to these webs. Everywhere you see a Fox Block logo is a web or an anchor point for either plumbing or electrical. And the electrician's already kind of pre-carved out his boxes. So the box will slide in and it's attached right to this webbing, and then the drywall will go right over the top of it.